Hello everybody, welcome to this video about the Puravive supplement. My name is Vic and today I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about this supplement, like what it is, what it does, if it really works. So if you want to know all of that about the Puravive, stay with me until the very end of this video. The first sure it's going to be the most complete one you will see today on the internet about it. And I also have some really important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchasing it, alright? So stay with me. However, if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find a link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video. But remember to stay with me because the warnings and alerts will be available only here in this video, alright? Many people out there look for something to help them lose weight. Looking for these methods and alternatives, they discovered the exotic rice method, which they use the benefits from the rice to target the root cause of their problem for the weight gaining and start losing weight. After these new discovered from people, the scientists decided to study it and they discovered that yes, it's really real, but as it is an exotic method, like something very difficult to use, they decided to create a new formula with the benefits from the rice, which is the Puravive supplement. So the Puravive supplement, guys, is 100% natural. It brings all the benefits from the rice, but not just that. As it has a blend of natural ingredients, it brings tons of benefits, right? From each ingredient, from each nutrient and vitamin from this formula, all right? But I'm gonna tell you what it does and why it really works. So this new discovered really works because there is one new cause for the weight gaining, which is the low levels of the brown adipose tissue in your organism, which you can call it the brown fat. And this brown adipose tissue is responsible for flushing out the bad fat, because if the levels of this are low, it means your body will start storing fat. So we must have the levels of this brown adipose tissue high, so your body will understand that there is fat in your body, but you will keep the good fat and not the bad fat, which is the fat that appears, not the fat that we need. And it will start flushing out the bad fat in our body. So we will speed up our body's metabolism, all right? And flush out all of this fat from your organism. So yes, guys, it really works. It has been helping thousands of people around the world. You can check people's testimonials on their official website, all right? But of course, to see this result, you must take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't see any and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimal treatment is of 3 months, but the complete treatment is of 6 months, okay? And also, in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So you can actually test it for 6 months. If you don't see any results at all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So you have nothing to lose here, guys. Only benefits for you. But I have an alert to share with you. The only place you can purchase the original Puravive from is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video. And that is the only link you can purchase the original Puravive from. Nowhere else. So keep that in mind that you won't lose your money, okay? And this is great information I wanted to share with you about the Puravive. Thank you so much for watching till here. I hope I have helped you. And remember that this is the only place you can buy the original product.